In this video, we're going to tell you how to run a phishing campaign using the template executed by SideCopy, a Pakistani APT, which recently attacked the National Investigation Agency in India. In the side navigation bar, you'll see the landing pages section, where you will find the landing page used by SideCopy in its phishing attack. We'll start by navigating to the campaign management section on the left. Here, you can initiate a new phishing simulation campaign for your organization. Phish-E stores the history of all the campaigns run previously, and you can reuse or relaunch them in the future. Now put the campaign details, such as subject line of the emails and name and email ID of the sender. After this, put details of the user group on which you wish to run this campaign. You can either select a pre-made list of users or enter their details manually. You need to put in the email ID, first name, last name, and designation of the users. If you upload a pre-made list, make sure you have the details in this format. Now save this template and move forward. Once you have saved the template, now you can go back to the Create Campaign window and select your specific template. Next step is to execute the campaign. You can either schedule it for later or run immediately. Once you run the campaign, it will be visible in the campaigns list. As and when any of the users who open the email and are phished in the campaign, you will be able to see the results in the Phish-E campaign results dashboard. Now you can see that the user has received the phishing email with the template you had selected. This template is exactly what SideCopy had used in their attack on NIA. The user has now gone to the landing page you had provided in the email and is putting in their personal details. As the user finishes with entering the details and clicks on Sign In, he or she is redirected to the Phish-E page with a message that they've been phished. The user will now be required to go through the training and report the completion of this module. You can now see the details of the phished user and status of their training on the campaign results dashboard.